Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of the Hoffmann MU-2 dovetail key system. This is a foot pedal activated machine. It's in full working order, no air leaks, no bearing issues. It's 100% ready to go. You're going to get 4 boxes of dovetail keys. I believe these 3 are brand new and this is a partial. You also get an extra cutter. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.